Right, I'm going to show you the difference between a fillet, which is this, and a chamfer, which is this. So a fillet is essentially a radius that's put across a corner of two intersecting lines, and a chamfer generally is 45 degrees to each line. So I'm going to just quickly get rid of these. So get rid of that and get rid of that. So let's do the fillet first. So shortcut for fillet is F, so we're going to do F, enter, and we have to give it a radius, so R, enter, and let's make the radius 5, enter, and now we can hover that, click it, hover that, and it'll sort of show you what that would look like, and I'm going to click that, and there we go for our radius. And you can do radii externally, internally, you can do them between, it doesn't have to be perpendicular lines, 90 degrees, as long as it's between straight lines. And now we're going to do a chamfer on this side, so I'm just going to press escape to get out of the fillet mode. And the command for chamfer is CHA, enter. And this time we're not going to apply a radius, we're going to apply a distance instead. So we've done CHA, enter. We're now going to do D, enter for distance. And we need to give it two distances because there's two lines it's intersecting. So the first distance we're going to put 5, enter, 5 again, enter. And we click this line here, and then if I hover over that line, you can see what it's going to apply. Okay, click, and there it is. So a 5mm radius, 5mm chamfer. Easy peasy. Hope that helps.